Well, good evening wherever you are on this most pleasant evening. As you can see, there's been a terrific atmosphere here. There is great expectation, excitement, and it has built nicely in these idyllic conditions. Conditions which are certainly playing their part in creating a glorious ambience. It's quite a struggle to get in here, points of access hard to come by, and an awful lot of people gathering to get through the gates, but regardless of that, there's a great feel here and much excitement for the game ahead. Really is quite a sight to behold this. It feels like a big game, it looks like a big game. Mind you, they all do at this ground. Stade Rennais have clearly decided to play here with a 5-3-2 formation, Jim.
Well, a reinforced rearguard, Peter, and a compact midfield probably suggests that they're focusing much on giving very little away. I think if you commit to that, then you really can't afford to concede, because it clearly demands a quick change in approach if you do, which isn't always easy, because in the build-up to this, believe me, they'll have been working principally on organisation and shape in training, and it's not easy just to suddenly come out of that.
Things have got underway here pretty promptly. Has a shot! Oh, it's come loose. He's trying his best to keep it in play here. That defending is unapologetically persistent. It's almost personal, and it had to be. Edouard. Defending of the desperate variety. Borgier. To Hatterball. And Bolo pinches it off him. Thomas. Well, that was a period of possession which carried just about no threat at all. Yeah, he's fouled him there. Las. Mbolo. Real chance! Goal! And Stade Rennais take the lead. Perfect placement, the one place the keeper couldn't reach.
He had the whole picture in his head, Peter. He didn't even look at the goalkeeper.
Stade Rennais gain their reward with an early goal. Back into the middle. Bout of passing here, really easy on the eye. And the assistant referee has his flag raised for offside. Oh, easy pickings there. Mbolo. And it's Mbolo. Mbolo has a look inside the box. Into the box. Climbs up big! Good delivery, but no joy.
Well, this is simple. The supply is to be admired. The defending is to be admonished.
Gradit. Tauvin. Well, the movement is slick, the speed is slippery. The defence, though, able to hold on this time. He is just caressing the ball. Well played, that has snuffed out the danger.
That is some very intelligent play from the forwards here. Great movement.
And what's making it work?
Well, it's the way they're swapping positions and dragging defenders where they really don't wish to go.
And it's Tauvin. Aimed in towards the centre, and the keeper beats it away. Not pretty, but it gets the job done. Fiddles it through. Nice interception, well timed. Has a goal! Oh, fine stop from the keeper.
I think he's done great there, both reading it and dealing with it.
It's a sharp little ball here.
That's positional goals, the utilisation of space.
Nicked him back promptly. It's a bolo! Sotoka. Gently done. That has been cut short. And Bolo.
Well, I'm not quite sure he needed to hold up play quite as much as he did then. A couple of his teammates were very annoyed.
Bit of an appeal, but nothing doing. Glass. He is through here. Just to show off his quick feet. Looking to go deep. Strong running down that left flank. Well read, nice interception. Pass is coming off in quick succession here. Tovan. Short changes him with that pass. And Bolo. Oh, good spread. Played back in. Embolo. And the shot! He's got space in the area. Gets it back. Now then, the ball's come loose. And that'll be the final action of the first half. Steady, solid, and for now, where they want to be. Just one goal, and they have it. Good effort from both sides, but at half-time, it is 1-0.
It's a dressing room that needs rousing at half-time because, in truth, they've not really been at it so far. If the pep talk works, we may see a very different side second half. We need to.
And we're already back underway here.
Lens don't need to press the panic button just yet. They may have to tweak their setup first. If they don't grab an early goal in this second half, they can't hold back though.
Ahamada. Oh, it's a promising build-up, this. Plenty of really nice passing. Fofana. Aim forwards.
This is what good chemistry is.
Towering header! It just took too long getting forward.
And Bolo cannot be that slow. And it took the sting out of the break and a big chance wasted.
Now some movement on the bench, and we are going to see a change. Angers, Stade Rennais looking to pass their way through. Smoothly does it. Yeah, that does look a foul. Referee's given a free kick. There could be trouble here. But for now, the referee is keeping his cards in his pocket.
What a letdown when you've got such presence and movement.
Lens making consecutive changes here. Defending was strong and firm. Nice bit of trickery, and that has left him in a heap. a sudden chance to counter. Hattermore has set up one goal so far. Fofana. Glass's cross.
Been there, done that, unfortunately. You immediately want to have another go. Believe me on that.
Oh, lovely bit of skill. Now here's the delivery.
That's what has to be done now, no question about it.
This is a really front-footed approach.
Well, the question now is whether they can sustain it.
Fofana moved on forwards. And it's Fofana. That is good strength. No, he wasn't going to let him past. Fofana! And he's there to get it away. Stade Rennais are making a change now. Great skill, that's nice. The ball is loose and the chase is on. Rongier knocks it out wide. And it's played forward. Frankowski.
There's a real appetite from them to finally put this game to bed, but will they?
Stade Rennais finding their passes. Oh, lovely feeding, is such a good mover.
Well, from experience, I can tell you he'll get a lot of stick for getting that one wrong.
That's a good run down the left.
Keep calm and carry on. That's the job in a nutshell now.
Frankowski. Nice bit of skill, and he's away. Very nicely done. He's had a shot! It's in, and that looks to me very much like an own goal.
Oh, it's terribly unfortunate for them, and maybe we can attribute that to a loss of focus.
Stade Rennais got some help from Lady Luck there. They all count. Truthfully, it was hard to see any better outcome there. Frankowski. Just 5 minutes left. And Bolo has been caught there. It's a foul. The referee has resisted the temptation to go to his pocket. It's just a stern lecture. Turns back here, probably the best option. Passing nice and neat. Just eases him off the ball. Looks to clip it forward. Oh, nicely intercepted. Frankowski. Keep the ball and you win the game. It really is that simple. And the number on the board is 3. And he cuts out the supply. Whistle's gone, and they've got themselves a free kick. And there goes the final whistle.